Good morning. I just have that red face in the morning, don't I? And I've just got myself out the shower and ready. And yes, it's very dark because it is like 1 AM. Actually, it's near 2 AM and we're supposed to leave. But I'm nearly packed, so I wanted to show you. And it's the most simple packing I think I've ever done. So in here, I've literally got my dancing shoes. Literally, I just normally take a big bag. In there is my underwear, so I'm going to zip that up. So that, like I said to you on the other bit of video that I took, if I then need to open my bag to get my liquids out, which I will, that's a jumper I'm taking with me. That seems to have become my travelling jumper now. I've got jeans on that I'm taking. I've got a black t-shirt. I'm going to have that jumper. And then I've got, just in case, I've got leggings. Oh, I need my pyjamas. I don't know what I've done with them, actually. I've got a cardigan, just in case. A top. Probably need another t-shirt, actually. I've got 2 outfits. What's that? I don't know what that is I've got there. Oh, that's a top. So yeah, hopefully we'll have no malfunction. I reckon I'm going to fit it all in there, you know. This is done now, so I've got in there my bits that are not liquid, sorry about the shadowing, and then that which is liquid I'm going to take out. But I thought if I keep it in that bag, then if there was a spillage, it's not going to go all over my stuff, because it's, you definitely don't want that. Now I've got to get in there as a hairdryer. Oh, my fringe brush, I mustn't forget that. This is an essential part of my look always. Actually, I might stick that in there just in case it catches any of those clothes. Yeah, we're gonna be good. So I was thinking about bringing this one, which is quite a bit bigger, but I don't need it. And this, when it does up, it's just so small. It's a lovely little case to wheel around. So, yeah, I'm going to do that up, put these on. It always makes you feel like that's it, ready. And I will catch you in the travel with me to Edinburgh video. All right then, thanks for watching. Don't forget, thumbs up.